Good morning. Today I'm going to show you how to easily get the cover off of the hot tub. First off, if there's snow, do not use the shovel on the hot tub cover. That can damage the cover, and that is not good. Use the push broom to gently push the snow off the cover before you take the cover back. So to take the cover back, you come to the side. I use both hands under right here. It's not that heavy, but I lift it up gently, and then as it comes back, I hold it so it doesn't fall. Then you come underneath with your left hand, and I use my right hand to grab the bar here to gently guide it. So I guide it gently backward. I don't let it fall. I hold it. I control the fall until it gets into this position. Very simple. Okay, doesn't weigh that much, but you don't want to slam the hot tub cover. To close the cover, again, take my right hand, I grab the bar, take my left hand, put it about a foot in on the top, and I just lean toward the house and bring it gently down to halfway point. I then grab the skirt here with both my right and left hand, and I again gently lower it onto the tub. Always controlling the hot tub cover so it doesn't get damaged. All right, thank you, and enjoy the hot tub and your stay here. All right, so here is an alternative way to close the hot tub cover. Again,
this is the easiest way, especially in cold weather when you don't want to get out of the tub. Try to close half of it first.
So grab it from the center, pull gently down,
Ta-da!
And it's out.
Then you step out of the tub.
You step out of the tub.
Trying not to fall.
And you still have to go halfway around the tub to grab it on the edge, and you gently grab it and gently lower it onto the tub. Do not slam it. Make sure it covers all the edges. And there you go. Alternative method.